Hello everyone, today I will talk about YouTube known issues problem in YouTube Studio. If you have YouTube channel and if you visit YouTube Studio, you can see this error message like this. YouTube known issues with live stream view counts, issues accessing YouTube Studio on desktop and mobile devices. You can see this error message. And even if you are trying to enter your YouTube Studio on mobile devices and desktop, you can see another error message like oops, something went wrong, retry. And you can see the real-time views, watch time, etc. So this happens due to YouTube's technical error or YouTube server error. YouTube fails to retrieve the real-time view information. That's why you can see this error message. So when YouTube's expert team fix this problem will be solved automatically. You don't need to do anything. Just wait and watch. I think it will be solved within few hours to within few days. And I personally faced this problem so many times. It will be solved automatically. It will not affect your YouTube channel.